Newgen Q3 Financial Year 2026 result subscription renewed up 29% YoY. Newgen reported revenues of NR 400 crore in Q3 Financial Year 2026, a 5% year-over-year increase. Subscription revenue grew strongly by 29% YoY, reaching NR 134 crore. The company secured 7 new customer logo during the quarter and saw significant growth in the US, 21% YoY. A one-time impact of the NR 35 crore was recorded due to new Indian labor code change. Key financial highlight in Q3 financial 2026, Newgen annuity revenue reached NR 250 crore, marking a 20% year-over-year increase. Within this, subscription revenue was a standout, growing by 29% YoY to NR 134 crore, while Q3 revenue reached NR 400 crore. Growth was tempered compared to the previous year due to challenging comparison against high license revenue. New customer acquisition, Newgen onboarded 7 new logos in Q3 financial year 2026. Notable wins include a public sector bank in Saudi Arabia for a loan organization system, NR 38.6 crore, a financial institution in the US from an enterprise content platform, $5.3 billion over 2 years. A specialist insurance company in Europe for a contract management platform, GBP 1.5 million. Regional performance, the US geography exhibited strong growth with the 21% year-on-year revenue increase during the quarter. The APSC region also saw growth, increasing by 7%. India and EMEA saw weaker growth rate during the same period. Strategy development, Newgen is focusing on next generation AI-led product to enhance customer productivity and automation. The company is also investing in employees AI and upspeaking, and was recognized in the Gartner and Magic Quadrant for a business orchestration and the automation technologies.